Hi everyone, this is Tony here. In this video we're going to cover the process of how to interact with the Hermez Network Public Testnet. We'll see how to access the wallet step by step and the different actions that you can test. At the end of the video we'll also explain how to share your feedback, and you'll find plenty of useful links in the description below. First of all, to interact with the testnet you'll need a MetaMask wallet connected to the Ethereum Ring-By network and some test tokens. You can install the wallet by going to metamask.io and just switch the network to Ring-By Test Network. To get the test tokens, you can go to faucet.ringby.io. Here you'll need to either post a tweet or a Facebook post in order to get the test tokens. For the sake of this video, we're gonna do it through Twitter. So if we go to Twitter, you just hit tweet and just paste your address from MetaMask here. It doesn't matter the text, just hit tweet. And here, just go to the tweet and grab the URL of the tweet and go back to the faucet and paste it here. Now just hit here, give me Ether, 3 Ether, and we have to do the CAPTCHA. Oops. And you can see the funding request is happening in real time. Once you have your test tokens, you can go to Uniswap and swap some of your ETH for HEZ. For the sake of this video, let's swap 1.5. We get about 85 test HEZ tokens. So just hit swap and confirm the swap. And you'll need to confirm in your MetaMask wallet. Remember that we're in a testnet environment, so we're only operating with test tokens in this video. You can also add HEZ to MetaMask. Here we go. And hit close. So now if we go back to MetaMask after the transaction is confirmed, here we go. We see we have about 1.5 test ETH and 85 test HEZ. Now let's go to wallet.testnet.hermes.io and click here in connect with MetaMask. You'll need to click next and connect on the MetaMask notification, and then you will sign and sign again to connect your wallets. Here we are. This is the wallet testnet interface, and the first and only option available at the beginning is deposit. By depositing, you'll be moving your funds from the Ethereum layer 1 to the Hermes network layer 2. Let's deposit some HEZ first. So if we click here in HEZ and input the amount, let's deposit 50 HEZ. Click continue. You have here the transaction details and hit deposit. You'll need to confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Here we go. And it says your transaction is awaiting verification. You hit done. And you can see here that the transaction is pending. If you click it, you'll get this message saying this token account is being created. So while we wait for our HEZ, let's also deposit some ETH following the same process. So just hit deposit, select ETH, and let's deposit 1 test ETH. Click continue and deposit again, and we have to do the same confirmation. Just hit done, and now both deposits are pending. Let's give it a couple of minutes. While we wait for the deposits, let's explore these two options. At the top, on the top right, we have my code, which is a QR code that you can use for mobile. And on the top left, you have my account, where you have a couple of options like currency conversion, forced withdrawal, batch explorer, or disconnect the wallet. Okay, the deposits have been executed. If we check our MetaMask balance, we can see that from the original 1.5 ETH, 1 is deposited on Hermes, same with the HEZ tokens. So let's explore now the other options. If we click on one of the tokens, let's go HEZ, we've seen already how to deposit. Let's see now how to send tokens. If we click on send, you can input a number of tokens, and now just paste a HEZ address in here and click continue. These are the details of the transaction. Just hit send, and it says the transaction is completed. If you hit done, you see here that the transaction is pending. You can access the detail of the transaction here, like the status, who's sending to whom, the date, and the fee. And you can even go to our Hermes Batch Explorer. Here you have the transaction summary in the Hermes Batch Explorer. And if you click here on the top left corner, or just go to explorer.testnet.hermes.io, you have a screen with all the transaction batches that are being processed in the network in real time, and also some stats in the overview section. Okay, let's go back to the wallet now. If we go back to the main screen, we click on HEZ, and let's explore the third option, which is withdraw. By clicking withdraw, we'll be doing the opposite to deposit. We'll be taking funds from Hermes layer 2 to Ethereum layer 1. So let's input some tokens, let's say 20 HEZ, and click continue. Again, we have the transaction details and just hit withdraw. And it says the withdrawal has been initiated and will require additional confirmation in a few minutes. So if you hit done, we get this screen which says that withdrawal is at step 1 out of 3 and it has been initiated. So let's give it a couple of minutes. Now we have the second step where we need to finalize the withdrawal. Just click finalize and withdraw, and we'll have to sign the transaction again on MetaMask. And it says your withdrawal is awaiting verification, hit done, and we see the step 3 out of 3 withdrawal is pending. Okay, so the withdrawal has been executed. If we check our MetaMask balance, we can see that the 20 HEZ are back to our wallet. The last thing we're going to cover in this video is how to give feedback on the testnet. You just need to join our Discord server, which you can find a link to in the description below. Once you're there, have a look at the rules channel and click the handshake emoji at the bottom, and you'll become a full member. On the left bar, you'll see a channel called feedback, where you can share your comments, report bugs, or upload screenshots. We really appreciate your feedback to help us improve the Hermes network. Thank you very much for watching. Happy testing!